Hi everyone, this is Lynn and welcome back to my channel. 2 years ago, I shared my strategy that helped me pass all 3 levels in one go. Now, I am going to dive deeper into each level with some fresh perspectives. And guess what? I've got a little secret helper, artificial intelligence. With all the cool new tech out there, making these videos just got a whole lot easier.
Hi there. My name is Julie and I'm taking things from here. Let's start with Level 1 today. Cracking the CFA exam code means getting a solid grip on the exam structure, which is a game changer when it comes to acing it. I'll remind you of our keyword for Level 1: speed. The Level 1 exam is about moving fast and answering as many questions correctly as you can. Remember, the Level 1 exam is also a game of probability. Since it's essential to understand this concept, we are replaying this key section from our previous video.
Level 1 is a lot about recognizing if you can answer a question right away or not. The rule of thumb is to make sure that you get about 70% correct in each topic to pass. You know that you have 90 seconds on average for each question. Therefore, one strategy that is likely to maximize your score is, if you do not know the answer within the first 10 to 20 seconds, skip the question and jump to the next. A big percentage of candidates fail Level 1 because they couldn't manage the time. Therefore, answer the questions that you are certain about the answer first and do it as fast as possible. Then go back and answer the other questions. Another crucial point about the CFA exams is this: you are not being penalized for wrong answers, which means it's always better to tick any box to ticking no box at all, as you have a 33% chance to be right. The ranking to answer questions is this: 1. Know the answer. 2. Exclusion principle. 3. Educated guess. And 4. Random guess. 1 is what I just mentioned. Skip the questions you don't know the answer right away and answer those you are certain about first. Then go back and do 2 and 3. If you are not certain about the answer right away, try the exclusion principle next. Is there any answer that you can exclude for sure? Then strike it through. If there are still 2 answers left, make an educated guess, which means choose the one that you feel is more probable to be right. If you really have absolutely no clue, and believe me, this will happen here and there, the strategy is decide for one letter, that is, for example, B, that you will tick consistently in case you're completely clueless. This will ensure that you will have a 33% chance to hit the right answer. If you jump around A, B, and C with random guesses, on average, you're likely to hit less than 33%.
Okay, wait. What? This remark from Lynn has caused some question marks. But let me show you a simple example. Suppose the correct answers are uniformly distributed, following the sequence ABC throughout the exam. If you consistently choose option B as your answer, you will have a 33% chance of selecting the correct answer each time. However, if you, for instance, select the order BCA throughout the exam, you will never hit the right answer. This means that if you randomly jump between options, your chances of selecting the correct answer range from 0% to 33%. Statistically, assuming a uniform distribution, it amounts to a 33% probability multiplied by another 33%, which results in approximately 11%. Therefore, if you find yourself completely uncertain about a question, it is advisable to stick with one answer choice rather than randomly changing your selection. Also, make sure to explore the description box below this video, where you'll find our recommended CFA preparation resources. These tools can significantly enhance your learning efficiency and effectiveness in mastering the CFA curriculum. Don't miss out on these valuable assets to support your journey to CFA success. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when the next video drops. And give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful. As of 2023, the Level 1 exam consists of 180 multiple-choice questions, which are split between 2 135-minute sessions. There is an optional break between the 2 sessions of 30 minutes. The questions are all in multiple-choice format, and some require you to choose the correct way to complete a sentence, while others ask you to choose the best of 3 answers to a query. The exam is now computer-based and tests knowledge in 10 different sections, as you can see on this chart. It's a well-known reality that the majority of CFA candidates, most probably including yourself, often tackle the challenging task of studying for the exams while juggling a full-time job. In the upcoming section, we will delve into a replay of a key strategy that will help you effectively manage the substantial volume of learning materials you need to cover alongside your professional commitments.
While everyone has their own studying style, what's worked well for me was a bottom-up approach. I first read through mock exam questions for each topic, then the summary notes, and for the topics with higher weight, I finally also read the recommended parts of the books where I felt I needed more elaboration that the notes didn't cover. I started with reading through a few mock exams first. There are some official ones available from the CFA Institute itself and several external providers. This is less about the content itself, but more about getting yourself familiarized with the exam format and type of questions you can expect. This will help you to focus on what to study and how to memorize it, so you can reproduce it best during the exam. In this way, I felt I could work through the materials in a more efficient manner, since I could focus more specifically on items I needed to study more. In a top-down approach, where you read thousands of pages of the books first, and then the summary, and do the mock exams in the end, you are likely to spend more time and have less focus. Chances with a bottom-up approach, however, are that you might miss a few elements. But given that you have to score 70% and not 100% to pass, and with most of you facing time constraints, as many are working full-time besides studying for the exams, missing one or two elements will not decide over pass or fail. But for level 1, time management does. Next, I picked my battles. I checked which topics carry what weight in the exam. Ethical and professional standards are valued highly by the CFA Institute, as holding charter holders to the highest standards is a crucial cornerstone of carrying the CFA title. In level 1, financial reporting and analysis carries the second largest weight, followed by equity investments and fixed income. This determines the level of detail I studied for each topic. It helps to allocate the number of hours you want to spend with each topic. If needed, jot it down in an Excel spreadsheet and track it from there. For level 1, candidates study a little bit more than 300 hours on average. So if ethical and professional standards carry 15 to 20% weight, allocate 15 to 20% of those 300 hours to it, which is anything between 45 to 60 hours.
In our upcoming video, we're excited to share 10 new tactics that will not only help you increase your speed, but also enhance your understanding of the CFA exam materials. These strategies are designed to optimize your study process and equip you with the tools you need to succeed. If you're ready to take your CFA exam preparation to the next level, make sure to stay tuned for our next video.